Deep inside a local scrapyard, buried under layers of oxidation and neglect, we found it, a 1980s motorcycle frame. Most people would walk right past it. We pulled it out of the grave.
Before we could build anything, we had to go back to zero. Using modern laser cleaning technology, we surgically stripped decades of corrosion, exposing raw, honest metal. This is where the transformation begins. With the old subframe gone, we redesigned the geometry from scratch, cutting a wider wheel stance and a more aggressive silhouette. The skeleton of a cyberpunk beast was starting to take shape. Every panel on this machine was born from a block of 6061 aluminum, machined on a 5-axis CNC to create razor-sharp angles that no human hand could replicate. This is where engineering stops and art begins. To keep this machine cool under pressure, we built a custom liquid cooling system, transparent tubing carrying coolant like blood through veins. You can see the machine breathing. It's alive. We installed a central processing unit, a custom-built brain that links mechanical throttle response directly to digital feedback. Every twist of the grip sends a signal. Every signal gets answered in milliseconds. The body panels were drilled with precision perforations, not for ventilation, but for light. Behind each hole sits an addressable RGB LED, programmed to pulse and breathe like a living machine. At night, this bike doesn't just look cyberpunk, it feels cyberpunk. The paint process took 3 stages: a matte obsidian base that absorbs light, followed by iridescent chrome accents that shift color depending on the angle. Up close, it looks hand-painted. From a distance, it looks alien. Analog gauges? Gone. In their place, a heads-up display mounted directly into the triple tree, showing speed, RPM, and real-time system diagnostics. This isn't restoration, this is resurrection. A $300 piece of scrap metal reborn as a $20,000 cyberpunk masterpiece.